This is the official Puppy Linux website, where multiple builds are available. In this video, I'm going to use the recently updated NoblePup32 version, which is the smallest one size-wise. I've already covered the F96CE version and Wayland previously, if you want to see what's different between these versions/builds. These are the virtual machine specs. The boot menu and process is the same as other Puppy Linux versions. This is the main desktop. NoblePup uses the same desktop environment as the one in the F96CE. It's very lightweight, simple, and basic. The install setup is the same as in other versions. Set up a disk partition using gparted, copy files, install a bootloader, and then you're pretty much done. Install process is very quick since the operating system itself is very small. When it's done installing, you can then reboot and remove the install media. It uses around 130 megabytes of RAM on idle and around 600 megabytes of disk space, which is so little for what it is. Very impressive. Since this is a 32-bit distro, most of the pre-installed software are different than the ones present in other Puppy versions. They've been swapped with lighter and compatible alternatives. Even though NoblePup32 doesn't take that much space or resources, it still comes with a generous set of tools and programs. PaleMoon is the pre-installed web browser. PaleMoon itself is a very good lightweight web browser. It also scores very well in the HTML5 test despite its limitations, which means that it can load and display modern websites such as YouTube, for example. This desktop environment is customizable. You can switch between different themes, wallpapers, and other UI elements or modules individually. That's it for NoblePup32. Despite its limitations, it offers a lot in a very lightweight package.